Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me introduce you to my favorite little assistant here, this handheld vacuum from HRYCF. This thing has so much power. It is absolutely awesome. I wanted something that I could easily grab in the car to clean up all of those little messes, but honestly, it is just as useful inside my house too. It's super convenient and compact, which allows me to take it on the go, but the power is really what sets this little vacuum apart from all others. It picked up dirt seamlessly on my grooved rubber mats, which is what I really needed, but I also tested it on the seats and the carpet, and it picked up that dirt and debris just as well. This isn't just for suction and cleaning though in my car. It also has a blower on the opposite side of the device, and utilizing the attachments, I can use it to either blow off dusty spaces or even to inflate items too, which I thought was super cool. This is a very convenient and versatile item to have around the house and in the car. This is rechargeable whether at home or on the go. It has 3 different power levels to get you just what you need, and it's super easy to clean too. I found that it was really easy to take off that dust area, take out the filter, which is washable by the way, and put it right back on to start using it again. If you've been searching for a compact, convenient, and super powerful handheld vacuum, I would definitely check this one out, but that's just my point of view.